We're out in northern Anoka County, Minnesota. We're on a University of Minnesota property. This property is called Cedar Creek Ecosystem Science Reserve. It's about 53 or 5,400 acre property in Isanti County and Anoka County. They do all kinds of different research out here. And this particular project that we did is we installed this aluminum dock. It's 320 feet long across this more or less bog, and it connects these two oak ridges from one side to the other. They call it the bike crossing. It's an area where a lot of the students and the researchers, they cross from the main headquarters over to one of their major research fields. This was an old decrepit wood dock that had been in here for about 25 or more years. We tore it out this winter, and today we had a group of volunteers and some people from Cedar Creek. We had an excellent team. We put this new system in. It was a little bit different of an install as we had to get through this bog and make sure we got the sand pads down to a hard pan sand bottom. We got it done. It was a little messy, it was a little fun at the same time. And we just want to say thank you, Cedar Creek, for going with the flow.